farming is definitely working outside, hand in hand with the nature. Do mostly work in a field with my father, and due to that, this is for me the most beautiful thing at this job. Sometimes very difficult, for example, when it comes to a frost, the small leaves at the trees are getting killed from. For the future, I personally hope that we farmers are getting more esteem from the society, and also that young people like me are getting attracted more to work in this branch, because it is such a beautiful job.